Welcome back to Kids Toyland. Today we're going to learn farm animals and colors. Let's get started. First we have a rooster. The rooster is going to go sit on our tractor. And we also have our friend the pig. Oink oink, pig. And they're going to invite some new friends to the farm today. Let's find out who they are. Our first friend is this guy. And what is this animal? Horse is right. Great job. Horse. Now let's meet our next new friend. What animal could this be? It says moo. Can you say moo? If you said cow, you're correct. Cow. Moo. Great job, boys and girls. Here's another new friend. All white and fluffy. What animal is this? Sheep is right. This is a sheep. Here's a new friend we all know.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The
Dog.
farmer in the dell.
Dog.
Takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The farmer takes the wife.
Dog.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child.
Here comes another new friend.
The wife takes the child.
This one hops around and eats carrots.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The child takes the
A
nurse.
rabbit is right. Rabbit.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The
Rabbit.
cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog.
This new friend likes to purr.
The dog takes the cat.
Purr.
The dog takes
And
the
say
cat.
meow.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The
Meow.
dog takes the cat. The cat takes the
A
mouse.
cat
The
is
cat
right.
takes the mouse.
Cat.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat
Great
takes
job,
the
boys
mouse.
and girls. Cat.
The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese.
This new friend might be kind of hard to come up with the name.
The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone.
It has
The
horns.
cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
What could this
The
animal
cheese
be?
stands alone.
Goat
Hi-ho,
is
the dairy-o.
right.
The cheese stands
If you
alone.
said goat, you're really smart. Goat. Now we have to look what's in our colored eggs. What color is this? Blue is correct. Awesome job, boys and girls. And in our blue egg, we have a baby sheep. Baby sheep. Shall we put the baby sheep next to the big sheep? There we go. This is my favorite color. Do you know the name of this color? Purple's right. And what animal do we have here? A goat is right. A goat. Let's put our baby goat next to our other goat. Great job. 2 more colors. What's this color? Green. Green. And in our green egg, we have a cow. A cow. Let's put our cow by our other cow. And our last color is pink. Let's see what we have in our pink egg. We have a pig. A pig. Let's put our baby pig with our other pig and put them in the pen. Our pig pen. There we go. We've learned colors and animals. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o.